Hey Jacob, what are you doing here?
Hey, I'm just getting ready to splash around. I'm just kidding. We're out here in Clearwater Beach today, finishing up a new kitchen and backsplash installation. Come take a look. This house was flooded during the last hurricane, so we went with the same layout, but modified all the cabinets, brand new countertop, upgraded it to a white one. It was a lot more darker and outdated. We went with this 2-floor ports, so you have a sitting area over here and over here where you can host all your friends when you come down from the boat and drink some beer. We have this beautiful island over here. As you can see, it's absolutely huge. We have a nice cooktop over here and the sitting area all around. It's actually higher than the cooktop itself, so it's like a bar where you can host parties, have family dinners, and just enjoy this beautiful view and this beautiful kitchen. So if you like this kitchen, just click here down below. I will give you a personal call and we can schedule the appointment.